Our transportation management system is the system of record for many, many enterprises around the world. Uber Freight brings a gateway for those enterprises to connect into all of those smaller trucking companies who are out there looking to do work and provide high quality service, but lack a platform to work electronically, digitally with those enterprises. Sustainability and transportation efficiency go hand in hand. One of the biggest challenges is the number of miles that are driven empty. We help companies be more efficient in how they optimize those routes so that those vehicles, that space, that capacity, that fuel is used at maximum efficiency, which helps the environment in terms of minimizing waste and pollution. One of the areas that we can help with is tracking the amount of impact that a given shipment has in terms of carbon dioxide production or other pollutants. We can track that, we can measure that, and help them, manage it.
We believe that by building a more efficient market, we're reducing empty miles on the road. We have products like bundles where we know that we're having a material 20% plus impact at a carrier level on reducing their empty mileage, which reduces gasoline usage. As Uber, we are moving fast to get drivers into electric vehicles. It really will start with local haul trucks, short distance trucks. That's already where we see some implementation. The last frontier is a truck that can go 600 miles in one charge and charge overnight and then do a long haul. At the core, we are just trying to make the market more efficient.
By having access to the right data, having access to the right technology to learn from and optimize from that data, we can make sure that we take advantage and make use of that capacity from a cost perspective and from a sustainability perspective.